What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this reverse light assembly on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. I'm going to open the trunk, just use the key. I'm going to take these push pins out. There's 4 on this side, 4 on this side. I'm just going to use a trim tool. We sell this trim tool at 1AAuto.com. Just get underneath here. And there's 2 pieces to this push pin. There's a top part and then the lower part. So you take the top part out and it releases the lower part. Alright, I can actually use another screwdriver for leverage. Just don't smash the window while you do this. There we go. Then you want to take these ones out as well. I'm going to lower this down. I don't necessarily have to. Then I can lower this piece of the insulation. We can gain access to this. If you wanted to, you could pull, there's 2 screws right there and right there. You can pull this off and then twist this strap, take that off, but you don't have to. And we can grab this light right here, grab this little tab, push it down and slide it down. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet. We'll take this nut off. We're gonna loosen it up. There is a bracket that comes with it. This one's a little bit tight. So this bracket that the nut attaches to is a little bit tight, so I'm just gonna use some pliers just to hold the bracket from spinning. All right, I was able to loosen that up. Just take this bracket off with the nut, slide that out. Then with the light, I'm just gonna push up on the light, and then it's gonna slide out this way, come right out. Take the light, we want to slide this little spot right on the edge, right there first. Once that's in position, push it down. Take this nut that's on this bracket, slide that in position. Take the 10mm socket, get this started, and take the ratchet. And we'll just snug this up. Not too tight. Take this back part of the light assembly, line that bulb up into the reverse hole, and just lock it in place, and that's good. Take this cover, just slide that back in position, and close this, tighten this down. All right. We're gonna put these push pins back in. These bottom ones we didn't actually have to take out, but you can take them out anyway. Just push them in and then lock them down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.